We are live? Are we?
Yes.
Hey everyone! Good evening. Are we live? Yes, we are live.
We're live?
Yes, hey everyone, welcome. Welcome back to your very own BYJU'S 9th and 10th channel, and we are very sorry. I know we are quite late, and there were a lot of glitches happening at just one time, so we reached a point where we thought maybe we won't be having this class today, but suddenly Shiva sir made it possible, and that's why we are here. So welcome. Better late than never. So
Yes.
I'm Saurabh, your physics mentor.
I'm Aishwarya, your biology teacher, and we welcome you to this much anticipated BQL of Physics Phantoms versus Cell Squad. Now I know all of you are excited and a lot of you are saying, you know, sabar ka phal meetha hota hai.
Yes.
I hope I'm saying that right. But of course, at the end of the day, it's definitely going to help you all out. We shared the Menti code with you, so we're not going to spend a lot of time. I think, sir, quickly we'll ask them to join the Menti. We can get started with the quiz.
Guys, we'll give you 2-3 more minutes because I can see we have 339 votes in the poll, and right now we have only 137 people on live. Many of you kind of lost hope, which I completely understand. तुम्हारी गलती नहीं है. It's okay, right? आधा घंटा लग गया इसमें, yes.
Yeah.
So, Menti code is 54520602. Come on, let's join. Let's do this. And if we are doing it, let's do it right.
Yeah.
Come on.
So in the meanwhile, can we also can we have the comments also in front of us? Oh,
Arey nahi yaar, but I'm not testing how long you can wait. We were also waiting. We were chatting with you the whole time.
Giving you live updates, making sure that, you know, we sort everything out for you. So just give us a moment and we will be there soon. Okay, my Menti is not working. Arey, Menti will work. Sir, can I move to the next slide?
Yeah.
Okay, so students, I hope you are ready for Physics Phantoms versus Cell Squad. As per the votes, a lot of you want Cell Squad to win. Now,
Yeah.
of course, this is the current point table. Global gurus.
Yeah, the
they're on
SST
top.
ones.
Yeah. So, of course, as we all know, right? What is this? Somebody says because Aishwarya ma'am is always... No, arey, we were waiting for Saurabh sir because Aishwarya ma'am is always angry with us. No way. No.
Hey, but I saw in the poll you made Cell Squad win. So it's okay. Yes, you want both, that's why. See, that poll I only started. I was thinking to give you one more option, science, but I knew all of you would pick that, so that's why I just said, skip science, I'll give you 2 options, you have to choose.
So, of course, sir, right now this is the points table. Cell Squad is 3rd, but you are only 200 points behind. You can catch up very fast.
Am I?
Yeah, you're 4th.
Yeah. Let's see. May the best, man or woman wins.
Yes.
May the best, I won't say let's not do this. Let's enjoy it. Please send the codes first. Code is 54520602, है ना? ठीक है, build up नहीं करेंगे. We'll do fast only.
हाँ.
मैं सोच रहा था यार 200 तो कम से कम टच कर लेते यार तुम लोग जितने लोग lost जो इधर लूज किए थे. So, yeah.
Right.
Oh. What minimize? You're right actually. You escape. Capture.
Okay, so everybody, code is 54520602, right? We're going to be doing it. They have sorted it out. I think you'll be able to see. Yes, Bhakt, we are going to be good to go. So are we ready? Shall we start? I think we
Yes, now we are good.
Yeah.
Now we are good, no? We are still struggling with a few things, but it's okay. बीच में कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए, है ना? Come on, everybody, we are 183 strong right now. We are 178 now. But you know what? What do you say? Come on, are you ready? How's the Josh?
So Josh is looking low because they're like, Arey.
Yeah, I know. It's okay.
Josh should not be Josh should not be low.
Josh should not be show. So, hi, very good, yaar. Dekho, it's okay. And you know what? These situations are typical example of what you expect, expectation versus reality. So it's okay. Sometimes whatever happens, but wherever you go for the final thing, it should be the way you imagined it. No? 8 बजे होता ठीक है माना 8:30 हुआ है लेकिन होगा तो वैसे ही है ना मजा तो उतना ही आना चाहिए क्वेश्चंस तो वही रहेंगे so come on
So let's get started, everybody. So shall we go to the first question, sir?
Yes. First question on your screen is now. Everybody, come on.
It is a physics question.
It is about a cyclist. A cyclist starts from rest and accelerates uniformly to a speed of 10 meter per second in 5 seconds. What is the cyclist's acceleration in meter per second square? It's a fairly easy question, just looks long. Yes, come on. Everybody.
Sir, I think we can do the magic trick today also, where suddenly you can become big.
Yeah, well, I can actually. Press escape once, no? What? Now it's looking fine, but actually.
Yes.
Okay.
So very good, all of you. Very good, sir. 136 of them have got it correctly.
Nice. 136. Should we note it? This
Yes.
is physics. 136 people have got this correct. Very few people have got this wrong. And people who are saying 532. I understand this is not a misclick. Like few of them could be. 5 kaise bhai? But you have to find acceleration in meter per second square. If you just look at the units, meter per second upon second will become what? Meter per second square, right? So 10 is meter per second, 5 is second, so 10 upon 5, which means 2. Or I know ये जल्दीबाजी वाली गलती है कि 10 upon 5 क्या होता है? 5 होता है. You thought 2, 10 upon 2 is 5, 10 upon 5 is 2, right? Okay, so correct answer is 2 meter per second square. Let's move forward. Easy question है ना?
Very
कोई
good.
बात नहीं. We'll have a mix.
Yes. So physics is at 136. Shivanshu, nothing like that. Shivanshu's constantly telling that she's good, but Ashram gets angry.
नहीं नहीं.
Oh.
I'm just has a face like this, but she's
Yeah,
not angry.
my face is just that. So next is a biology question for all of you. Accumulation of which among the following in our muscles lead to fatigue or tiredness? So is it lactic acid, pyruvic acid, benzoic acid or uric acid? Very simple. Ankita ma'am would have taught you this today.
Yeah.
Accumulation of what in our muscles lead to fatigue? See, today's biology questions are actually also not very direct.
Yes.
Some of them are a little indirect. It makes you think a little bit. Don't get confused.
I know the correct answer, but I don't know every answer, like in this.
It's very simple.
Yeah, this though I know.
Very good, all of you. Very good. Most of you have got the
161.
correct answer. Yes, it is lactic acid, right? So we know that accumulation, especially during strenuous exercise or heavy activity, we know that at that point especially, we know that our body, to meet the energy needs, it starts to break down glucose in the temporary deficiency of oxygen, leading to the formation of a byproduct that is lactic acid. And accumulation of lactic acid over a long period of time results in fatigue, muscle cramps, right? So that is one of the answers. So well done, all of you. Well done. 161 of you have got it correctly. So sir, shall we move on to physics?
Yes. Very good. Question number 3. The physics question on your screen. एक 5 दिन तक दर्द रहा था हाँ. चलो, question number 3 on your screen बच्चों. Now, the question says a person walks 10 meters to the east, then turns around and walks 5 meters to the west. I'm hoping you have your notebook and pen with you. What is the magnitude of his displacement? वैसे तो easy question है, but east-west, okay? Person walks 10 meters to the east, then walks 5 meters to the west. What is the magnitude of displacement? Is it first 5 meters, second option 10 meters, third option 15 meters, fourth option 20 meters? What do you think? Come on. Question तो easy है. जल्दी में गलती मत कर देना बस. Yeah, I know. They don't need a notebook and pen, but you know what? It just makes it easier. Otherwise, silly mistakes is one thing that can happen.
So most of them have got it correctly.
Nice. 155 of you got this correct, and some of you are saying 15. East is this side and west is this side, right? So 10 meters here and 5 meters back. So this remaining is 5 meters. Simple. That's the displacement, right? It is the shortest distance between the initial and the final point. That's 5 over here, right? Easy question. Very good. 155 will add in 136.
291.
All right. Very good.
I need to make sure at least I have a 400 points margin. Yes, I'm very competitive. Moving on to the biology question, everybody. Question number 4. Ringworm disease. Okay, this can be little tricky. Ringworm is a disease which is caused by what? Is it bacteria, fungus, protozoan or nematode? See, this is not direct. I'm very worried. I want to give you some clue, but sir will now chase me away if I give him clue.
Just don't overthink.
Yeah.
Everyone has voted. Very good. See?
Very good, all of you.
Smart kids.
Yeah, super smart. That I agree. And many of you who are in 8th standard and who've come to 9th standard, all of you know that I constantly talk about diseases and you know how much I love talking about diseases. So in this case, you know that ringworm, although it can be misleading because when we say ringworm, most often than not, we think it's a worm. But actually, it's a disease which is caused by a fungus and not bacteria, protozoan or nematode. So correct answer here is option number B. Arsh is like, I was confused, but now I'm good to go. Menti code 54520602. Kindly help each other out. Yes? Okay. Ashram, I'm in every quiz. Yeah, I am.
Yeah. For a moment when you said, and you know how much I love, I thought diseases, but you said talking about diseases. Yes. Nice. Now the poll is. Hey, by the way, poll pe we have 429 votes. Do we have that many likes? I don't think so. Come on. Question number 5 on your screen is now. It's a physics question. The question says it's about sound wave. A sound wave with a frequency of 1000 hertz has a wavelength of 0.34 meters. What is the speed of the sound wave? We have numericals also today, by the way, yes? You might have noticed till now. Frequency is 1000 hertz, has a wavelength of 0.34 meters. What is the speed of the sound wave? Is it first 3.4 meter per second, second 34 meter per second, third option 340 meter per second, fourth option 3400 meter per second? The only mistake you can do over here is calculation mistake. And very good. See, 0.34 is the wavelength, frequency is 1000. What is speed? Speed equals frequency into wavelength. Now you have to multiply 1000 multiplied by 0.34. And if you check, both are in SI units, है ना? पहला वाला भी hertz है, that is the SI unit. Second वाला meters है, SI unit है, बहुत अच्छे. तो 0.34 multiplied by 1000 करना है. अब इसको क्या 3 place इधर ले जाना है और क्या, right? So it becomes 340. Not 3.4, not 34, not 3400, 340 meter per second, right? I told you. Calculation mistake हो गया, कोई बात नहीं, it's okay. Questions are easy, right? कोई बात नहीं, अरे अबे यार क्यों कर रहे हो? It's okay, कोई बात नहीं, yes.
So I think normally in physics, because there are numericals, they take some time to sort of solve.
Yeah. Yes.
It's okay. So now we'll move on to the biology question. Hope all of you are ready for the biology question. It's going to be easy. Let's have a look. Let's hope it's easy. Okay. I am a product of photosynthesis and I turn blue if I am mixed with a certain brown liquid in the lab. What am I? Is it methane, glucose, lipid or starch? Very easy, but I know that you guys can make silly mistake here. Potential for silly mistake is there.
Yeah, there is a hint we can give you, but you know what? We are refraining to.
Even if I want to, he will not let me give.
I also have a hint.
Oh yeah, you can give the hint.
Yeah, there is an experiment shot on this.
Yes. So all of you correctly between two options that I told you that you might get confused and you've got confused. See, product of photosynthesis, exactly, it is glucose, right? It is glucose. But now we're saying that it is a product of photosynthesis which is glucose. But I turn blue when mixed with brown liquid. Now that was where you were getting confused. Now technically starch is not a direct product of photosynthesis because excess glucose is stored in the form of starch. And we do starch test, right? So when we do starch test, what do we mix? Brown liquid, exactly, Ankita, it's iodine. So when you mix starch with iodine or when you put iodine drops on starch, if starch is present, it forms a blue-black complex. But if it does not form a blue-black complex, that means there is no starch, right? Glucose is the product, I agree. But you know that glucose that is there gets converted. See, that product of photosynthesis is just to confuse you, right? This is there in 7th standard also, right? It's very direct.
I think the biggest hint was this brown liquid turning blue. It was iodine turning blue, and that's a very common thing we use for starch.
Yeah.
Hai na?
Yes.
Nice.
See, this time bio is not very, very easy. You all keep telling, ma'am, bio, you come with easy questions. Today I've come with good questions.
Yeah. Questions are good here. Hai na? Nice. Equal fight this time.
Yes.
But maths ने तुम उड़ा रखा है. Physics और bio की लड़ाई में maths परेशान कर रहा है तुमको इस बार. Yes, question number 7, everybody. And you might have seen that experiment short also, no? On the channel.
Yeah.
चलो भाई, आ जाओ. फिर से acceleration है. What is the acceleration due to gravity of an object with a mass of 10 kg on Earth? गलती मत कर देना. It's a easy question.
Yeah.
What is the acceleration due to gravity of an object with mass of 10 kg on Earth in meter per second square?
Can I try answering?
Yeah.
Is it this? No, or this? This one, no? See, I made the mistake. That's a new most kids may make.
Yeah. There is a chance you might make a mistake. I had this feeling. I have a very strong feeling. Oh, nice. Hey, was it a hint when I said that you can make a mistake?
Yeah, probably.
I think so. This is the kind of hint when we say it's a tough question. Don't make a mistake. Okay, we'll try not to. But I'm happy because acceleration doesn't depend on mass. It's a misconception. It's the air which gives you this feeling कि भैया this is lighter so it will fall slower. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. David Scott in Apollo 13, नहीं, Apollo 15. Apollo 15th. David Scott did this experiment on the moon. He dropped a feather and a hammer together on the surface of the moon, and that's how we saw it. And you might have seen there is a shot on the channel exactly on this, right? It depends on what? It depends on what? Acceleration depends on what? Question of class. It's a 9th class question, by the way. Yes. Very good. It doesn't depend on mass. It depends on how much mass of the earth we have, right? It is gm by r square. Mass of earth upon square of the radius of the earth. Okay, very good.
Yes. And just to answer one question before I move ahead for Arvind, who's constantly asking me, glucose is not in the form of a liquid. Glucose is a molecule. So you can think of it as a small solid molecule, right? And you imagine that that glucose is like a small tiny bead, okay? And just like how to make a necklace, you have many beads that you attach. Your starch is formed by many such glucose molecules, okay? So just to clarify your doubt, because you've been asking me for quite some time, so just taking your doubt very quickly. And so well done. So many kids have got it correctly.
Nice. Very good.
So I was very happy.
Yeah. So yeah, not all are numericals, but that's the difference, no? 6th, 7th, 8th, when you come to 9th, 10th, you realize, oh, there is math also in physics. And then you go to 11th, 12th, then you feel like, is it physics or is it math? I don't know. So this is
That's what I felt in 11th and 12th. Physics used to scare me so much because there was more math. I found math easier than physics, just saying.
Shashwat bachaiye, this is for 9th and 10th.
Yeah.
Oh, alright. Come on, question number 8 on your screen is now. It's a biology question.
Yes. The weight of our body, or I'll rephrase this, maximum of our body is made up of water. What is the maximum constituent? Bones, brain, water, skin. Weight of our body is mainly. I'm very happy with the, yeah.
Yeah, I feel you gave a hint. Yes.
I will not say anything.
The moment you change the question, this question became very, very easy. Yeah, ma'am, they are saying ma'am just gave the answer.
Hey, but some people still got confused. Well, no. Decent enough. The weight of our body is mainly made up of, right? So we know that almost 70% of our body is actually water. See, your blood, your cells, everything has water. So as much as we are thinking that the weight, we constantly say bone weight, right? And we have that misconception. See, bones are of course heavy and everything, but at the end of the day, the constituent that is here is water, which is why when I rephrased it, most of you got it. It was maximum amount of our body is made up of water, right? Yes. See, I did not intentionally do it, okay? I realized after saying that sentence, I'm like, oh, this gave most of it away.
I'm habitual, so it's okay. I know this is going to happen at some question. So yes, see. It's okay. If you like water, you like 70%. Oh, no.
Nice.
Nice one. It's a good line you can use when you are older. Let's move forward now. Question number 9 on your screen is now.
Leaderboard after 10th question, Mayumi.
And I'm hoping we have more than 200 likes, okay? Which of the following materials is a good conductor of electricity? It's supposed to be a very easy question. It's a very easy question. Wood, rubber, copper, plastic. Come on, yeah. 6th, 7th, 8th students can give the correct answer for this. Yes. Yeah. Everybody should get the correct answer.
So only 120 likes on our video.
Only 120 likes. Hey, are you taking revenge?
Yeah.
For being late?
You came late, no likes.
I'll dislike. No. Yes, come on. Easy question, Anna. 199 people got this correct. Very good. I'm happy.
Out of 200 actually.
Yeah.
Only 3 got it wrong.
Yes. This was an easy question. Good. Copper is the good conductor of electricity. In between wood, rubber and plastics. I mean, it has free electrons, so that's why it conducts. And wood, rubber, plastic, all these are insulators, right? And that's why you might have seen your pliers, pechkas, tester. They all have some coatings of plastic, rubber or wood. है ना? ठीक है? है ना? हलवा question एकदम बहुत बढ़िया. चलो. Question number 10, the biology question.
Let's have a look and see. Okay. Which among the following is a sexually transmitted disease, or which is a STD? Okay, is it diabetes, tuberculosis, AIDS or typhoid?
Come on, everybody should get the correct answer for this.
Yeah. They say 10th grade students will learn about it in the upcoming chapters, but you know about this. We've learned about this in 8th grade also, actually.
It's a more of like a GK question actually.
No, but they learn about it also.
Come on. Nice.
Oh, very good, all of you, very good. So, of course, when we say it's a sexually transmitted disease, it's transmitted through bodily fluids or sexual contact. And in this case, it is AIDS, right, which is caused by HIV virus. And we know that diabetes that is there is actually a hormonal due to difference in hormones, or I would say due to lifestyle, or maybe due to insufficient production of insulin hormone. We know that, diabetes is caused. Tuberculosis is caused by bacteria, which is again transmitted through the air, right? It's an airborne disease. And of course, typhoid that is there, again, we know that typhoid is spread through water and it's caused by bacteria. So correct answer here is option number C, which is AIDS. Okay, so well done, all of you, well done. Physics in the lead, sir, by few points.
Yes, it is.
I know, Cell Squad needs to win, but sir, our question quality is on some other level today, no?
Yes. Today it's equal.
Yeah.
Yeah. And yeah, I know. See, the competition becomes fierce in these matches because the old students who are waiting for their result, the board result, they feel like, chalo, hum bhi thoda show off karte hain knowledge ka. So that's why, yeah, I understand, Ruchi, and that's why you say. Very good. We have ADN Ahad. I don't know how to pronounce it. Adjan Ahad. All right. So then we have Melissa on second. We have Bhumit on third. We have Jessica on fourth. We have Ishi on fifth. And Hindavan on sixth. Riddhi on seventh. And Riddhi, you were the fastest. Then we have Abhijit on eighth. Durvi. Was it supposed to be Dhruvi? Durvi. You are on ninth. And Riddhi, you are on 10th. Hey, names are getting complicated day by day, no? Yes.
Gone are the days when it was just Aishwarya's or...
Rahul, Raj, Mohan.
No, we still find all that, but you all have interesting names also, just saying.
Yeah, nice.
Durvi.
Oh, okay.
Ma'am, I'm second just because of internet issues. Melissa, you got this. Then
Okay,
you
we have 10 more questions there. Come on. Everybody, see, it's okay. We accept we were few, not few, we were quite late. But whatever happens, the N2 should not drop. Come on, everybody. Are you ready for the second half of this match? This is just the half time, okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Wait, come on. Ready? Ekdam ready. बहुत बढ़िया.
Let's go.
And keep a track of your rank. It's okay. See, the important thing is you are learning and you are having fun. So whatever belting, whatever fighting we do over here, it's between us. You are not supposed to be concerned with that.
Yeah. This is just for your entertainment.
Yeah, अपना कुछ नहीं है. We'll become friends again. अपन जाएंगे चाय में पीएंगे घर जाएंगे अपने अपने. ठीक है. Come on. हाँ, जोश is high. Very good. Yes.
Let's go.
Question 11 on your screen is now. Physics class is running, Hansika, by the way. Today only I took motion, class 9th, and class 10th, yours class is also happening. Which type of mirror, light aa gaya bhai? Which type of mirror is used in solar ovens to concentrate sunlight? Class 10th specific question hai, so be careful, okay? Which type of mirror is used in solar ovens to concentrate sunlight? Is it first concave mirror, second plane mirror, third convex mirror? Last one is both plane and concave mirror. Now, what I'm thinking is, nice. Concave, see, if you haven't studied this, then people usually get confused between concave kaun sa tha, convex kaun sa tha, and very good. Concave is the one where this side is polished and this side is reflecting. So this is like a cave inside, no? So it's a concave mirror. Its job is to make sure that light falling on it is focused at one point, and that point पे we put a cooker, and cooker के अंदर we put dal, and dal के साथ मस्त बनता है दाल भात, है ना? So that's how we use solar cookers, okay? And it's an oven basically, so you can bake. Concave mirror, 153 people got this correct. Very good. Nice. Oh, you watched it? Ah, don't worry. Arey, we'll cover it, yaar. Ekdam. I think we are quite late. I'm also feeling hungry, so we'll finish it. Question number 12, the biology question.
Yes. So everybody quickly moving on to question number 12, right? So your question is, which among the following is not a plant product? This is very easy if you look at your options. Okay. Not at all easy. Not at all. Caffeine, piperine, nicotine, saccharin. But see, how can I give them a clue, sir? It's very tough. This is very tough. See, let me tell you that there is 3 things which are identifiable, right? Which means that you've heard about it and we get it from plants. But there is one thing which is sort of chemically made, right? So you can take, I know there are 2 options which you've not heard about.
I wanted to give you a ad, give you a hint that, you know, it's a very, very famous ads nowadays.
Yeah. Okay, so no, this was a quite tough question. See, caffeine, as you know, is something that we find in tea and coffee, right? So we find it...
The beans, no?
Yes, coffee beans. So basically the tea coffee that you get is basically from plants again, right? Now nicotine again, yes, nicotine is from tobacco, which is a plant. Tobacco plant is there. Now you have piperine. Now piperine is actually from pepper. So piperine is something that you find in pepper. Now saccharin that is there is not something that you get. It's a little more of a chemical substance that is there, right? Yes, piperine, and I know nicotine and caffeine I assumed you would know, but piperine and saccharin is something that I understand that was very off the thing. And it's an artificial sweetener also. Exactly, it's a chemical. So I do know this was very tough. Looks like this question has put me far away from winning this, but it's okay.
Yeah.
Something you learned today, right? Yeah,
But I think if you asked me, I would have given them a hint about the ad only. Sugar-free wala ad.
Yes.
You didn't hear the name? Ha, yeah, I know. Saccharin, yes, this was tough here.
This was very tough.
This was tough, and I know why you guys thought nicotine, tobacco. Oh, it's going there.
Yeah.
But tobacco, these are leaves, and from that you get nicotine. Saccharin is those artificial sweet things you get, no? You get diet-free Coke nowadays, so this all have saccharin.
They're basically chemicals, like it's synthesized. It's
polymer.
Yeah, it's as simple as it's synthesized in labs and everything. It's not really obtained from something. So yeah, that is something that, of course, you learn something today new. Let's take it in that way, and let's get going.
कोई बात नहीं.
Cell Squad, I love full heart has fallen.
Himanshi, addiction के लिए तो caffeine is also
Yeah.
more than nicotine. People are addicted to caffeine. If I tell you the truth. My mummy likes to have the first thing in the morning is tea. उसके अलावा कोई काम नहीं होगा. चलो, question number 13. Let's move forward. Which of the following colors of light is scattered the most by the atmosphere? This question is easy only. First option red, second option blue, third option green, fourth option yellow. Which of the colors of light is scattered the most? Yes. गाना नहीं गाना है. कौन गा रहा? Yes. नहीं, I saw a song over there. Nice. Arvind, I'll answer your question also. Good. Bachcho, first thing is scattered the most, right? Now, I understand why you are confused between, sir, does it depend on the time of the day? Because what do we say? That during the noon time, it is blue. During the evening, it becomes red, right? So, that's why I'm saying it's always the blue because shorter wavelength are always scattered more. But it depends on which kind of overpowers whom. So during the noon time, it's the blue color which is overpowering the other colors, right? Like violet, indigo. तो blue वाला ऐसा color है जो कि सबको overpower कर लेता है. So दोपहर को आपको sky लगता है blue. Evening में क्या है? The higher colors also get scattered. And by the way, on the same concept, I released a short today, right? And it's a small experiment. You can try it even at your home. कुछ नहीं चाहिए, पानी चाहिए, दूध चाहिए और torch चाहिए. देख लेना. ठीक है? हाँ, very good, very vigor. Yes. All right. So easy question. Blue scatters the most, or in very simple words, shorter wavelength scatter more compared to the higher wavelengths. ठीक है? Right? It's a small poem. We remember, no? Violet. हाँ ठीक है, तुम क्लास 10 में आओ, दोबारा पढ़ेंगे. यस, कोड 54520602. यस, विब योर.
That one question. See, Cell Squad is not going to lose hope, and let's take it in the positive sense. Can't even lie. I look so sad.
Kiran, it's a good question because our eyes are more sensitive for the blue color in the noon. Okay, and physics is a perfect 1000. Nice. Smallest 4-digit number. It's 1000. All right.
Okay, let's go. We can do this, right? We got this. We have no problem. So let's get going to the next question. The age of a tree is determined by what? Okay? Its height, its girth, its general appearance, or the growth rings.
Come on, kids know this stuff. Everybody should get this correct.
Yeah.
More than 200 people.
I like how sir is very motivating. He's like, no, we can.
Come on. See, I'm always the losing side, you know.
No.
I have this tendency, whichever team is losing, I want this team to win. Come on, everybody.
They want you to win. You want some other team to win.
No, they want Cell Squad to win.
Arey, no.
The poll which has 500 votes. Everybody, very good. Hey, why do I feel that you have more than, is it like total is 200 or what?
Yeah, I don't know.
क्या तुम आंसर करना बंद कर दिया तुम लोगों ने? Growth rings.
See, basically they're nothing but annual rings, right? Or what we call as growth rings. And based on the number of annual rings that we observe, you can determine the age of a tree. So an older tree will have more number of it, while on the other hand, we see that, lesser number of growth rings would be there. Girth is basically the horizontal, the width of the, bark, right? Height, of course, see, tall tree can also be very, young when compared to maybe some other tree. General appearance, no, right? So when you cut the tree, you can see that. Yes, very good. So well done. Most of you have got the answer correctly. Very proud of all of you. So moving on very quickly. Yes, Bhakt, I see your messages.
Yes, Gira. Ajo, come on. Question 15th on your screen. We have 210 people here. Come on, everybody should answer, okay?
Right. Arvind, growth rings. See, annual rings come after a certain period of time. There are multiple ways, carbon dating, many ways in which you can determine the age of a tree. We'll do it when we do tissues and stuff.
And I hope rest of you are answering this question. Which of the following is an example of static friction? Kaun sa bhai? First option, a car skidding on a wet road. Second option, a book sliding down a ramp. Third option, a box at rest on the floor. Last option, a sled moving down a snow-covered hill. And people who watched Excel this time, you can answer this one. Ah, nice one. A block at rest on the floor. Baki jagah pe, see, if you notice, all the other options, they are talking about some movement, some sliding. A car skidding on a wet road. क्या हो रहा है? Car क्या कर रहा है? एकदम वही drift ऐसे, है ना, Singham style. Next one, a book sliding down a ramp. This is also sliding. The last one is a sled moving down a snow. It's also sliding. So everywhere it's sliding friction only. Only the box is sitting nicely, quietly like a good boy, right? It is a static friction. Okay. Chalo bhai. 137 got it correct.
Very good.
Static मतलब होता है rest, not moving.
So your batting is good. I have seen session.
I was showing off. Otherwise, I bat horribly. Yeah, question 16.
Moving on to question number 16, everybody. Yes. So now, of course, let's have a look at the option. Choose the correct option for the symptom of iodine deficiency. What will happen? Swollen gums, swollen necks, weak legs, swollen neck. Hey, this is very easy.
This is very easy, yaar.
Everybody, Ankita ma'am is going home. Say bye to her also.
जीतेगा भाई जीतेगा.
Cell squad जीतेगा.
Cell squad is behind.
Yeah, one question.
Everyone,
on.
please make sure you answer it correctly.
And
Oh!
Ta-da!
See, Ankita was on both sides. Well done, all of you. 157 of you have got it correctly.
so this is the magic trick so that you guys answer. 157 got it correct.
Yeah. See, iodine deficiency is because of ma'am. They've gotten confused.
Goiter?
Yeah, it's because of goiter, right? Resulting in goiter, which means swollen neck, right?
Yeah.
Not swollen gums, legs, weak legs, nothing. Goiter. So it's swollen neck. We have given it to you indirectly.
Yeah, very good everyone. Keep on doing like that. अच्छा करो.
Yes.
Yes. Now
Yes.
bye both of you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay,
Yeah.
very good, all of you. Very good.
Come on.
Squad जीतेगा.
We want more activity. We'll give you one more funny thing in the end.
Yeah, we'll do magic.
Yeah. Like half of the magic you already saw, but we'll see how we look at each other's places. Okay?
Yeah.
मेरी finger पता नहीं wrong touch क्यों करती है. It's okay, Mayumi. It happens. Question 17, a physics question on your screen. Iodine, passage 1, it's a important element which a body needs, no? I
An
don't know why
important mineral.
I don't know why I'm taking bio questions.
Yeah.
Which of the following factors affect atmospheric pressure? देखो,
Hey, this is very easy.
not exactly,
Yeah.
but focus, है ना? Affect atmospheric pressure, altitude, temperature, humidity, all of the above.
I feel like most of them have got the answer then.
If you don't think more, then you might be correct.
It's this. Now you made me overthink.
Yes, good. Because see, humidity and effect of temperature and humidity is something which we don't usually study very commonly as such. But if you think about it, what is atmospheric pressure? If you just go with the basics, it is the weight of the column of air above your head, okay? If you add more stuff into it, means if you have more humidity, means you have more water vapors, means you can say it will become heavy, atmospheric pressure will increase. Temperature ke saath, if you increase the temperature, air becomes lighter, its density reduces, it goes up, means atmospheric pressure will decrease. Altitude, if you go up, you have less air on your head, means atmospheric pressure reduces again, right? So that's why on all of these, it depends, okay? Hai na? Very good. Ash, it's okay, beta. 154 people got this correct. Overthinking जियो भी पढ़ा है. Oh हाँ जियो में पढ़ाएगी. ठीक है, nice. Okay, question number 18, the biology question.
Yes.
Come on,
Okay,
Self
so
squad.
let's have a look.
So I was seeing Adya.
We've got this.
Yes.
Humans can't digest grass like cows because of the presence of what? Basically, what is there in plants? Chlorophyll in grass, pesticide in grass, proteins in grass, or is it cellulose in grass? Very, very easy.
Yes.
I didn't even leak anything. Even when I rephrased it, I was very...
This was easy.
Subtle.
This is an easy question. Come on.
Yeah.
Nice.
Very good, all of you, very good. Because you know that cellulose that is there is exclusively found in plant cells, and we know that our body is incapable of digesting cellulose. But in the case of cows, they have ruminococcus and various organisms which are present in their rumen, which have the ability to break down this cellulose such that they can obtain, they're able to, sort of break that down and utilize it, right? Which is why the correct answer here is cellulose in grass. So well done, all of you, well done.
But bhindi? Matlab?
Bhindi plant.
It's green, no? Chlorophyll it has, no?
Yeah. Ma'am, how do we digest leafy vegetables? So that's why your leafy vegetables like your cabbage and your broccoli and all of that. I mean, leafy vegetables, sorry, not broccoli, cabbage and all of that, cabbage family. They're considered to be roughage, which means that they're also a good source of roughage because from that you don't really entirely digest it. Some of it goes undigested, but you're able to extract the necessary nutrients from it. Yes?
That roughage cleans your intestines nicely.
They're saying physics sir give hard questions. Cell squad is losing.
Last question, let's see. See, I gave you hard. So, in calculation mistake, you did a lot of mistakes, no? Unit of measurement for energy. Oh my god.
So easy. This time bio questions are harder than physics.
Yeah, this time bio questions were harder than physics.
Yesterday, how sir was telling, in 6th, 7th and 8th, bio is so easy, so direct, physics has high quality, whoa, and all that. Today, sir,
Yeah.
Tables
Today
and
bio was
charts.
tough. Unit of measurement of energy. Come on. Joule, watt, Newton, meter.
I really feel like we are in our element. Today I can tell, sir, it's okay. Today I can say all of sir's lines from yesterday.
No, I like being here. This is easy. Watt is bacha power. It's not energy. Energy is joule, and joule per second is watt, which is the unit of power. है ना? Work, that is also joule. Okay. Right? So, any energy, work is what? Work, energy, both are almost the same thing. है ना? Bi-band type के लोग हैं ये. So, it's joule only. Last question for biology. Come on.
So you want to take?
Alright, I'll try. Question 20. Golden rice is a rich source of. I have no idea. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin K.
Grade 10th graders should get this. 10th grade, because 9th pe they learn this. 9th graders, this might be a little hard for you. So you want to
What is
guess?
golden rice?
You want to guess? Sir has given tukka and has got it correctly.
When my tukka got right, but I have no idea about this question.
Good, everybody. Most of you got it correctly. 87 of you got it correctly. So golden rice is actually a genetically modified plant. So basically golden rice is made out of combining some of the best qualities such that there's increased production of vitamin A. So that, to make sure that we have a lot of vitamin A, provided in the body, and especially to places that do not have a lot of access to food, they started making golden rice so that they get their share of nutrients. So that's why golden rice is said to be, I hope I said golden rice before, but golden rice is actually enriched with vitamin A or synthesis of vitamin A so that we get that sort of share, right? Yeah.
Oh.
So with this, everybody, Sir Physics Phantoms has taken the lead on this.
But we all know that Kriti ma'am is gonna win this. So we are
just doing all this drama. Nothing like Kriti ma'am will win and go.
So it's okay. Vitamin A was the correct answer. I also thought golden rice is like brown rice or something.
No, but it's kind of like enriched food.
Ooh, we have Melissa on top. Very good, Melissa. And everybody, very good. Second pe we have Riddhi. Third we have Jannat. Fourth we have Krisha. Yes. And fifth we have Hiranaksh. And you were the fastest. Then we have Hindavan. Then is the winner on number 6th. Abhijit Yadav on number, that was 7th. This was 8th. Pavitra is on 9th. And MSM Harsh Kumbhare on 10th. And everybody. We are really happy here that even after with so many difficulties, you came out strong, you played really well, you enjoyed this whole quiz. And magic we'll do, don't worry. But congrats, just pat your back. It was very nice, playing this with you.
And I think more importantly, see, we do a lot of banter, we say things, but actually we don't mean we don't mean anything in terms of, whatever physics, bio banter that we do. Of course, we say that out of some fun elements, but nothing is meant very seriously here. And at the end of the day, we want you to learn physics and bio equally well.
And not just physics, bio. Because
everything.
till class 10th, at least science is your one subject. So
your science, your social sciences, and your maths well. And I think this Menti and this BQL is just an interesting way for all of you to learn. And you don't realize that you do a lot of learning in the process because, they're very engaged in playing the quiz. But I hope at the end of the day, you are all, you've enjoyed today's quiz, right? People in the poll lost. Voted for Cell Squad.
Yeah.
But it's okay. When they tally these points to the final points, I think Cell Squad will still be. This is what happened yesterday with bio and physics.
Alright, everybody, thank you for joining. And we have got you covered. Everything we do, we make sure you learn. And good news for you, your juniors, class 6th, 7th, 8th, they hit 100,000 subscribers.
We have to hit 300.
Yes. Party. If we win the full match, then pakka party. And anyways, your seniors are waiting for their result, and the result is definitely going to be good. And फिर तो we have a party only, right? So don't worry.
Yeah, I'm not heartbroken and all. I'm happy only.
Yeah, we are happy only.
Yeah, hey, that is all drama. That is just entertainment.
But we'll show you the magic, okay?
There's not. There's so much build up around it that there's nothing.
How do I look over here? Oh my god. Today
This is how we really are in real life.
Yeah. Yes, everybody. So this drama was for you. We hope you liked it, and you know what? See you next time.
You look like Bada Baba.
Yeah.
We are just this small. I mean, I am this small.
Yeah. I feel good. I feel like.
You
yes.
imagine I was standing on the other side and I still looked small.
This is like those gym mirrors, no? You are in the gym and you feel like, oh, मेरा डोला काफी अच्छा लग रहा है. Yeah, nice. All right, everybody. We hope you loved it. Press the like button if you felt whatever we did, it made you laugh and it made you learn. Two important things. Not just laugh. Learning is equally important and actually more important, right? So we hope you learned a lot, and we will keep learning together. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Share, subscribe, and like. See you.